Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and today we're going to be unboxing the TR-212 1/14th scale 10 channel heavy duty radio controlled dump truck from Top Race. This truck apparently says it can carry up to 7 pounds in its payload. This is the top of the line die cast radio controlled dump truck from Top Race. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this baby and see how it comes boxed. As you can see, it does come factory sealed. So we're just going to go ahead and pop these factory seals here. It's factory sealed on both sides. It is always good when your RCs come with these factory seals, knowing that nobody's tampered with your box. The first thing that comes out when we open the box is the instruction manual. So we'll go ahead and put that aside. And then here is the front of the truck. So we'll go ahead and pull this truck out now. Okay, I have pulled the truck out of the box. Here is how it comes in its styrofoam container. The controller up top, battery right here. Go ahead and turn this around for you guys so you see exactly how it came out of the box. And then here is the box. So now we'll go ahead and start looking at what we got here. We'll go ahead and start with the battery. It looks like it is a NiCad of 400 milliamp NiCad battery. Then we have the standard now of the USB charger. Right here we have the digital 2.4 gigahertz remote control. Seems fairly direct remote control, throttle, reverse, and steering. We have the dumper down, the dumper up. Looks like a volume control and lights. Have to get into the manual to see the rest of those functions. Now we'll go ahead and pop the top here and show you the actual truck. So here is your truck. It's fairly heavy duty. It does seem to have some metal components on it. However, I see a lot of heavy duty plastic. So let me go ahead and pull it out. So here's the truck out of the styrofoam. As you can see, it looks like it is mainly out of plastic. It does feel pretty heavy duty. So we'll see how it does. It does say that it can handle up to 7 pounds. It does have the 3 axles. It's pretty heavy. Looks like it does have a steering trim down here. So, well, there you have it for the Top Race TR-212 1/14th scale dump truck from Top Race.